In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add person name into Klaviyo. This quick process happens inside your Klaviyo account, and the goal is to create a profile so you can store a person in your audience correctly. As you follow along, take your time and make sure you are working in the right section, because Klaviyo organizes contacts by profile status. Start by going to the main navigation and selecting Audience. From there, choose Profiles. This is the area where Klaviyo keeps individual contact records, and it is where you can view, manage, and create profiles. Once you are on the Profiles page, look closely at the filters and tabs available, because that is how you switch between different groups of contacts. Next, click Suppressed Profile. This section is specifically for contacts who are currently suppressed, meaning they are not eligible to receive marketing emails. You might use this area when you need to find a person who was previously suppressed, or when you need to manage suppressed entries before recreating or updating a profile. Now you will add the email address for the person you want to create. Enter the email address into the field provided, then click Add. Make sure you type the address carefully, because even a small typo can create a separate profile that is not connected to the right person. It also helps to double-check that you are adding the correct contact, especially if you manage multiple lists or brands in the same account. After you click Add, the profile creation process will begin. At this point, you are creating the profile record inside Klaviyo, which is what allows the platform to recognize that person as a contact in your audience. Once the profile exists, you can later update details like the person's name and other attributes directly within their profile, and you can use that information for segmentation and personalization. And that is all there is to it.